Welcome to another video tutorial from 2001web.com, a web design and hosting company that like to help their clients learn how to use the websites. In this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at adding or editing pages in WordPress. This is for anybody who's just starting out with WordPress that maybe doesn't know how to do this. Quite basic stuff and nice and easy to do, so we're going to get ahead and move on with the tutorial. We're going to start by logging into our WordPress admin area, which will take us to the WordPress dashboard, the home page of your admin area, if you like. And of course today we're going to be working on pages, so we'll go to pages in the menu. You can see here we've got two options. We can either look at all pages or add a new one. Let's just take a look at the list of pages. Let's get familiar with this. And that is a list of all the pages that are currently on the website. It's a demo site, so we've just got a sample page and a home page. And if we go and take a look at the website very quickly, we will see those pages are there, and there we go. We've got a home page there and a sample page. That's the two pages in the top menu there. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add a new one, and you can either do this from the side here or using the button at the top. It really doesn't matter. So we're going to go ahead and click add new, and we're presented with a form, a basic form like this. Some of you may have a themified custom panel down here. I would ignore that when you're just starting. We'll teach you how to use that in other videos. Not everybody's going to have it. Some of you will have the X theme. So basically what we're going to concentrate on is these two areas right here. Okay, so it's quite self-explanatory. Enter title here. This is the title for your page. So we're going to enter about company, and we'll make a little about us page. And so this is the title of your web page. It's quite important, obviously, because search engines need to know what the page is about. So describe that fully if you can. And down here, we are going to put our page content. I'm just going to paste in a little bit of sample text there, just so that you can see. Obviously, you would type your page content here and type paragraphs and put all the content that you wanted with links or anything like that. There are other video tutorials on how to create links and to put pictures into your posts. So we're just going to do a simple page right there, and the next thing you need to pay attention to is the page attributes section over here. Now, this is something we'll use later in another tutorial for creating subpages. We're creating a top level page. Okay, this is one that's going to be in the menu on the website, so we don't have to change this. We're just going to leave it with no parent because it's a top level page. And order, if you want to order your pages, you can set here the order of the pages appear in the navigation, but don't worry about that because we've got a much better way of doing that, which we will again show you in a different tutorial. So we've built the page, we've got our content here, we've got our title of the page here, and we are just, now first of all, before we go any further, if you want to work on this page later, say for example you just spent 20 minutes typing those 3 paragraphs and you've got to go and do something else, but you don't want to put this on your website just yet, you don't want to make it live, then what you can do is you can save it as a draft. Okay, so if we just save that as a draft, now that's saving all your work into WordPress, so it's there for you to edit later. But you can see that its status is draft. It's not on the website yet. If we go and take a look, we'll give that a refresh, and you can see it's not showing on the website. It's not public. It's still just a draft document. You can also preview here. You can take a look at what the page will look like when it's published. There we go, and that's what it will look like. But that is just a preview page. So what we're going to do is, let's say we've come back, we've edited, we've finished the page, we've put everything on the page that we want, and we are now going to publish to make it live. As soon as you click publish, this page will be live on your website. So we will go back now and we'll refresh the page, and there you go. You can see now we've got a new link in the navigation, in the main navigation, which is our about company page with all the details, and that's it. That's creating the page. Editing pages, also very simple. Once you've logged into your WordPress admin area, you'll of course land on the dashboard as usual. So we go to pages and all pages so that we can view them, and say we're coming back now, we want to edit our company page. Literally just mouse over the title of any page that you want to edit and select edit, and then you would edit your text. You can maybe put in another paragraph, for example, and when you finish editing it again, just click update, and that will put the information live on your website. And if we go back there and refresh, you'll see there's now 4 paragraphs rather than 3. And there we go, edits have been accepted. So that's it. That's how you create a page or edit a page using WordPress. Fairly straightforward, fairly simple. Make sure you check out the other tutorials to do other functions like adding photographs to your pages or posts, or making text into clickable links. There are tutorials on all sorts of things in the knowledge base. But that concludes this one. We hope you have fun creating your pages, and we will see you next time.